In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-step verification in your Gmail account, step by step. This is one of the best ways to protect your Google account because even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to sign in without your second verification step. I'll walk you through the full setup, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to enable it on your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Google account security settings by visiting myaccount.google.com/security. This is the main security page for your Gmail and Google account, and it's where you can manage sign-in options, recovery settings, and extra protection features. Once the page loads, look for the section that says how you sign in to Google. Under that section, you'll see the two-step verification option. Click on it to begin the setup process. Google may ask you to sign in again to confirm it's really you, so if prompted, enter your Gmail password and continue. After that, you'll see a Get Started button. Click Get Started to begin turning on two-step verification. At this point, Google may show you a short explanation of how the feature works, and that's completely normal. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second check after you enter your password. Now, Google will guide you through adding your verification methods. This is the most important part because you should add at least 2 methods whenever possible. For example, in my case, I've used the Passkey method and the Google prompt method. You can choose the options that work best for you, such as passkeys, Google prompts, text messages, authentication apps, or other available methods depending on your device. Take your time here and make sure everything is set up correctly. If you already have a phone linked to your account, Google Prompt is usually one of the easiest options because it sends a sign-in approval directly to your device. A passkey is also a strong and convenient method because it can let you verify using your device instead of typing a code. Once you've added your methods, review them carefully to make sure at least 2 verification options are active. This helps protect you in case one method is unavailable, such as when your phone is lost, offline, or out of reach. Having a backup method is always a smart idea. When everything looks good, click Turn on two-step verification. Google will then ask you to confirm the step, so follow the final on-screen instructions and approve the setup. After you confirm, two-step verification will be enabled on your Gmail account. And that's it. You've now turned on two-step verification in your Gmail account. From this point forward, your account will be much more secure and you'll have extra protection against unauthorized sign-ins. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.